Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn how to use the word yet. Now you might already know yet as an adverb, which is used to mean until now, but this video is going to focus on yet as a conjunction. So yet is actually used as a contrast linker, similar to but. It's more formal. So it's really good for academic writing. So if you're doing an IELTS exam or Cambridge CHI or CPE, or maybe you want to study at an English-speaking university, then keep watching. If you do like the content, please hit like and subscribe to see more. Let's get started. To understand yet, we have to compare it with but. Both yet and but are coordinating conjunctions, and they're used to link two independent clauses into one phrase. So what's the difference then? But is used to show a contrast between two ideas of equal importance. It could be positives and negatives. I like this, but I don't like that. It could be different locations. You could be comparing the north of the country with the south of the country, for example, or opposites. Yet is used to emphasize a contrast between what we expect to happen and what really happens. So basically the difference here is that with but, we're showing a contrast, we're showing a difference. And with yet, we are emphasizing a contrast. So let's take a look at some examples so you can really see what I'm talking about. With but, first of all, John loves cats, but Gemma prefers dogs. So we have differences of opinion here, which is perfectly normal. We have no reason to think that Gemma shouldn't prefer dogs. There's nothing unexpected here. There are 10 students in this class, but 8 in that one. So here we're just pointing out a difference in the number of students. There's nothing unexpected. She loves swimming, but she doesn't often have time to go. So contrasting ideas, but nothing unexpected. Lots of us love swimming, but life is busy and it's normal that we don't often have time to go. Yet, there are high levels of poverty in the town, yet the residents are generally very happy. So here we have what you might consider to be an unexpected situation. I think it's reasonable to assume that in an area with high levels of poverty, where nobody has any money, the residents wouldn't generally be very happy. Life would be more stressful. So this is a surprising or unexpected contrast. Neither of the reports mention farming, yet it has been the main cause of deforestation in the area for many years. So again, this is surprising or unexpected. If farming is the main cause of deforestation, we would expect it to be written in the report, but it's not. So we can use yet to show this contrast between what we expect and what happens. 2/3 of the population are female, yet the majority of the study participants are male. So again, this is unexpected. You would expect that if 2/3 of the population are female, the majority of study participants would also be female, but that's not the case. So we can use yet to show that the contrast here is unexpected. So let's take a look at the examples side by side. Now straight away, you'll notice that the sentences with but are simple. They're quite short. The style is informal, and they're used to show a difference. And then when we look at the sentences with yet, These are complex sentences. They're longer. There's more detail. The style is formal. And we're emphasizing a difference. Okay, so this basically is the difference between but and yet. But is used for simple, informal communication when we're talking about differences, and yet is used in more complex writing, formal in tone, and here we're emphasizing the difference. For more grammar and vocabulary tutorials, as well as exam practice, then check out my other videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. You can also take a look at my website, englishwithm.com, and you'll find the link down below in the description. See you in the next video.